Globalizaciji predelanih motociklov botruje pretok informacij preko svetovnega spleta. Ideje, custom dele ali že predelane motocikle lahko naročimo iz še tako skritega kotička na zemlji. Seveda, tja lahko ta iste stvari tudi prodamo. Pa jih lahko tam tudi uporabljajo?
In Switzerland, street regulations are pretty tight, so it's on a high level. And so we have to build our bikes like under a lot of pressure because we can't really do a lot of shit. That's one reason I build all bikes. Because with all bikes you can do more. You can do bars and hypes like this and you can still make them street legal because they're from 1930 or 40. But the cool thing is if we make a bike street legal, you can send it all over the world and you can pretty much ride it because the high standards we have right here. It's ridiculous, you know. We can't do nothing without being fucking busted. So that's why it's a good thing. On the other hand, it fucking sucks because you can't do whatever you want, you know.
Oblikovanje custom motociklov je že v naši podalpski državici drugačno od tistega v Nemčiji ali Veliki Britaniji. Kolikšne so šele razlike med Evropo in Združenimi državami?
The difference between Europe and America, I think, is they have a lot more taste here and a lot more attention to detail. Every time I come, even the Harley dealers, they all have very, very cool bikes. In America, too much. It's the same, a lot of paint, a lot of chrome, but the design is not very solid. The geometry, the shapes, the proportions, not so good. And sometimes the detail's not so good. Over here, you see a bike, oh, cool bike, and then you look closer, you're like, oh my God, and you look closer, and a lot of times, you can see the guy concentrated on every little piece.
I think that Europe is in a very, very quick expansion and there are many styles. It's also interesting to see the differences between here and the States. I think that here we see lots of privateers, lots of people that just have a passion, they have no business. So maybe they can't invest that much money building a chopper or a custom bike, but they're free to create. In the US, you see mostly professionals which have big budgets and they try to have the best of everything. Biggest motor, biggest wheels.
Kako učinkovito združiti ameriško in evropsko tehniko, jo zapakirati v lasten custom motocikl in biti zraven še tržno uspešen v evropskem prostoru, nam bo razložil direktor italijanskega podjetja Headbanger.
We started from American engines, but we apply to them all the techniques made in Italy to have them approved and Euro 3 approved and legal, street legal. We are trying to sell our bikes in many different areas. We sell in all over Europe, not all the places in the same way, because of course it's a matter of money, it's a matter of distribution that is not easy to find. And we are starting now selling in Dubai, in the Emirates, we are starting in Russia and we are going to Lebanon.
Globalizacija ima pozitivni vpliv na svet predelanih motociklov. Trg se veča, internet pa skrbi, da pretok informacij, delov in motociklov nemoteno preskakuje geografske ovire. Kljub globalizaciji pa je to veja, ki ostaja relativno imuna na tržno sintetiko, saj jo še vedno vodi kreativni navdih umetnikov.